वॉइस। ऐसा हुआ है ना हम सबके साथ कि ग्रुप में हम कुछ बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं लेकिन हमें कोई नोटिस ही नहीं कर रहा है और हमें सुन ही नहीं रहा है कोई। Speaking with a confident and clear voice is one of the hallmarks of a good speaker. The tone, volume, and the clarity of our voice can significantly impact the impression we make on others. A strong and a well-modulated voice conveys authority and confidence, while a soft or a hesitant voice could give an impression of a lack of conviction. Have you observed how good orators speak? Apart from the speeches being insightful, is their voice that keeps us hooked to the speech. If you want to be heard, ensure that the impact of your words go beyond their literal meaning. Be aware of your tone of your voice during conversations. It should match the message you want to convey. Use variations. Vary the pitch and the volume of your voice to keep your speech engaging and captivating. Here are the 5 P's of voice: pitch, pace, pause, projection, and personality. पहला है pitch. This is related to the vocal range, highness and lowness of our voice. Like Lata Mangeshkar sung at a high pitch, but Pandit Bhimsen Joshi sung at a very low pitch. A mix is important. An overdose of low pitch can make us sound arrogant, dull, boring, and an overdose of high pitch can make us sound hysterical and overly excited. Use high pitch to exclaim, show excitement, and low pitch to show seriousness, anger, sorrow, authority. Let me show you with an example. Hello, 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 and hello, 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 hello. You got an idea? Pace. They say speak slowly, but at times you can pace up to add a bit of texture to your speech or your sentences. Variation is the name of the game. Pause. Simple yet a very powerful tool. When you want to make a heavy point, you want the audience to receive it and receive it well and make an impact, take a pause. Use pauses, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. There is a slight pause needed between sentences, but strategic pauses can be a bit longer to leave an impact. But use it sparingly. Projection. Lowering the volume to make a major point and then suddenly increasing it to make a major impact. This technique is very often used by seasoned speakers. Think of any motivational speaker and they are seen to be using all these methods. Personality. Choose how you want to sound before you speak. If you're preparing your speech ahead of the meeting, decide how you want to be seen. Assertive, emotional, warm, or any other kind, or a mix of it. You will change all P's to communicate this personality. Practice it. It matters. By the way, the question arises, are good speakers born with it? No, they aren't. But they train for it, for sure. Another thing which is super crucial for any speaker is cadence. मतलब हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, एक ताल, एक rhythm, the flow of words. Many people are seen to be using the upward cadence. मतलब at the end of every sentence, they sound as if they're asking a question, while they're actually making an assertion or a statement. So if you end a statement on a high, you come across as confused, unless it's actually a question. Practice empathy. Put yourself in other person's shoes and adjust your tone accordingly to show understanding and compassion. Pause and breathe. Incorporate pauses and deep breaths to regulate your speech and avoid speaking too fast or in a rushed manner. Practice vocal exercises. Strengthen your vocal cords and expand your vocal range through exercises and warm-ups to improve control over your tone.